Welcome back. In this walkthrough, I am going to show you how you can use Semrush to figure out how you can optimize your site for LLMs. So here we are in our homepage. I am going to navigate to the AI Visibility Toolkit and then all the way down to the Site Audit tab. So once we get to Site Audit, we will see a very long list of projects. We have a lot of projects set up here at Semrush. Your list probably looks a lot shorter. In this case, I'm not going to be using Notion. I'm going to be using our demo project because it has a lot more data. And as you set up position tracking and track a project for a long time, you'll also have a lot of data accumulated. So this project, which we use for demos, is for a company called Traffic Think Tank. Traffic Think Tank is owned by Semrush, and it is a wonderful SEO community that I have been a part of myself and highly recommend. The first thing that you can see here is that we have not just a site health, which is a standard metric that we use to measure this health of our site when it comes to SEO, but we've now released an AI search health. So at the time this video is being shot, this is still in beta format. Currently, it's taking into consideration AI search checks and whether AI search bots are being blocked. But we're continuing to refine this score. At the moment, Traffic Think Tank has a 75% AI search health score. Okay, so what I'm most interested in, though, is what are the issues that trafficthinktank.com could be having on their site that could be limiting LLM's ability to mention this site in their answers. So when you come in here, you'll see that these are all the issues that this site has. This list is not short, but it's also not the longest I've ever seen. But if you click on AI search, you'll see the issues that are specifically related to AI search. Now, you can either address these issues. Some of these are technical. If you're a technical person, you can just address them yourself. If not, we always give you the opportunity to either send them to Trello or send them to Zapier. And maybe in that way, you can send them to a developer or whoever would manage more technical optimizations with your site. I want to show you a little level deeper into content optimization. So when we click on here, you'll notice that there are 81 different pages that have failures or errors when it comes to content in the Traffic Think Tank website. So when you click on this caret, you'll see what type of errors we're talking about. So poor heading hierarchy over here is an error. Down here, same thing, actually. It seems like we're just not doing a great job with that in general. Across the board, feels like that's the main content error that this website has. So for some of these, you have the option of optimizing with AI. So you're both like optimizing for AI and with AI, which is quite meta. Okay, so this will take you into a content toolkit, which basically will create and generate content that is AI SEO optimized. This will take a moment to load, so I'll give it a second here. But just note that also on the right-hand side here, you have the ability to toggle between AI SEO, which is where we are right now, and also SEO. So it's the case that most SEO best practices, if not all of them, are important and relevant to AI SEO. So incorporating the different keywords and like getting improvement ideas using the content toolkit can also help you for AI SEO as well as SEO. Okay, so you'll see that we have an updated article here. And in addition, we have some improvement suggestions of showing authorship and summarizing first and then expanding. And so these are all things that we can take into consideration and things that we can use to optimize the content on our site for both AI SEO and also SEO. Just one quick thing that you should know is that these tools are available at the very bottom here of the AI Visibility Toolkit, which are very similar or sort of related to the dashboard in the content toolkit. So it's kind of a neat integration between the two different toolkits. Okay, so that was our tour of how to identify issues in your site that could be preventing you from shining in LLM responses. See you in the next one.